Morning, all of you. Hope all are doing well. Today, the new academic year syllabus going to start. So the first chapter of your syllabus is sets. See here, the word set in mathematics we use to denote a collection of objects, collection of things. For example, collect all names of your family members. One person A. I ask you, your person A. Collect all names of your family members. For example, A's family members' names are Akhil, Nikhil, Pooja, Roger. Akhil, his father name Nikhil, his name that means son, and Pooja, mother, and Roja is her sister. So this collection, the collection of family members. After collecting, arrange your collection, then separate the collection by commas, then after that keep that collection in flower brackets. And this collection and arrangement is called set. Set means, the definition of the set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects is a set. Well-defined, I use it here the word well-defined. Set means a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Well-defined distinct objects is a set. That means, now one more person B collect even numbers less than 10. That means 2, 4, 6, 8. One more person C collect prime numbers less than 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Look here, 3 different collections here. The first person, what he did here, collected the names of his family members, and the second person collected even numbers less than 10, and the third person collected prime numbers less than 20. Here all these are all 3 are collections only. After collecting, list out, write down, and what the objects you collected, separate them by comma. So look, in 3 examples, I separated by commas. Then after that, keep in flower brackets. And this is called set. Again, coming to the definition of the set according to mathematics, a collection of well-defined distinct objects is set. Here, collection of even numbers. Look, collection of prime numbers. So here, collection of names of family members. Here one property I am using, one rule I am using. What it is? Names of family members, even numbers less than 10, prime numbers less than 20. So this property only well defined. I am defining here. Clearly I am defining here. So you collect only this only. According to property you collect the objects. So this is well defined. And next, distinct. All different. The collection should be different, not the same. 2 collect again 2, 3 collect again 3, 3, 3. Not like that. You have to collect different objects. So here in this example, it is well defined and distinct objects collection. So a collection of well defined distinct objects is called set. And now see some more examples. One more. Collection of rich persons of your family. And one more. Collection of tall persons in your street or in your class, in your school. So here in these two examples, collection of rich persons. Who are rich? How can we decide he is rich? And somebody will feel, I feel somebody having some crore, that means crores, 100 crores, Mukesh Ambani, those are all only rich. Those are not having crores of rupees, those are not rich. Somebody will feel, someone who has lakhs of rupees, they are rich. And somebody, and the very small people, that means street papers they will collect, they will feel somebody who are having some thousands of rupees, they are rich. That means according to the point of view, different point of view of different persons, the rich word distinct, differs. I will prepare one list, rich people's list, you will prepare one list, and some others will prepare another list. So all these lists are not same. According to my point of view, somebody rich. According to your point of view, some others will rich. So here clearly the property not mentioned. Rich, how much rich? If the condition given, collection of rich people who are having more than 1 lakh rupees, more than 10 lakhs rupees, more than 1 crore rupees, it is well defined. But here it is not well defined. Just given rich. So this is not a set. Next, coming to this one more example. Collection of tall person in your school or street, wherever. How much tall? So I will feel little bit more taller than me, he is tall. And somebody having 4 feet, they will feel who are having 5 feet, they are tall. Here also list of taller people differs again to person. So this statement also not well defined. So this one also not a set. Set means it should be well defined. If you prepared list means universally it should be same. It should not differ me to you. But here it differs. So these two are not the examples for set. Set means once again the definition. A collection of well-defined distinct objects is called set. And the next, notation. Notation of the sets will represented by denotes by capital letters. Sets will denotes by capital letters and the objects in that one. That means collector vowels from English alphabet. What are those? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, that's why capital letter V I will use. So collected and separated by commas and kept in square brackets, and it is capital letter V. Now see here, The set has to denote by capital letter and the objects in that set has to denote by small letters. Objects may be small letters or persons or fruits or numbers whatsoever. We will call these objects as elements of the set. Elements. So what are the elements of the set V, A, E, I, O, U? Here one more thing. A belongs to V. To denote, to represent the word belongs, we use the symbol. We use belongs. So it is belongs. To denote, to represent does not belong, we will use this does not belong symbol. So it is does not belong. Now by using these two symbols, I will write how to use these symbols. I will show now. So A, one element of the set V, A is belongs to V. E also belongs to V. I belongs to V. O belongs to V. K does not belongs to V. L does not belongs to V. And now observe here. It is set A. It is not element here. Like the same as it is any element here. No, A is there, but it is not A. A kept in again bracket, so it is separate set. Like that, any set is there in this one, so no. So set A also does not belongs to. So like that, we can represent belongs and does not belongs. And then after that, some three methods are there. We will see in the next video.